हेलो हाय नमस्ते। मैं आपका एसआरएम सर अपना यूट्यूब चैनल सोम्य एजुकेशन। वेलकम टू ऑल प्लस टू फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट। We are going to discuss about the introduction of trigonometry, then come to the all the definition. Okay, first of all, we know this is the perpendicular, this is the base, and this is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is equal to p square plus b square root over. So hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular square plus base square का root over. Okay. So we know all the basic things, that is Pythagoras theorem. Then come to sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Similarly cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Similarly tan theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse by base upon hypotenuse. So hypotenuse cancel, that is left p upon b, that is opposite upon adjacent. Then come to trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We know the proof in the plus 2. We are going to know more things. So in the 10th we are clear all the proofs of this. So फिर भी we are trying the proof of this. We know sin square theta is equal to p square upon h square plus cos square theta is equal to b square upon h square. So taking the LCM h square, that is p square plus b square. We know that according to Pythagoras theorem p square plus b square is equal to h square. So h square upon h square is equal to 1. So the proof is, this is the proof of this sin square theta plus cos square theta. Similarly sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Then come to quadrant system. To remind the quadrant system, we know a trick, that is add sugar to coffee. In the first quadrant, all positive. In the second quadrant, sine and cosine positive. Sorry, sine and cosec positive. In the third quadrant, tan and cot positive. And in the fourth quadrant, cos and sec positive. Cos and sec positive. Okay. Then come to compound angles. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. We are knowing all the things in the 10th standard. Okay, sin A minus B is equal to sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Cos A plus B is equal to, this is a logic where cos A plus B is given, then the formula will be in the form of cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Only a minus sign. Similarly, cos A minus B is equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Always remind that math is not memorable. So always apply a logic. That's why we will remind all the things for a long time. Okay. Then come to factorization formula, sin C plus sin D. Let us take C is equal to A plus B and D is equal to A minus B. Then C plus D is equal to 2A. That is C plus D by 2 is equal to only A. Okay. And C minus D by 2 is equal to, that is A plus B minus M plus B, that is that is only b. So we know c plus d by 2 is equal to a, and c minus d by 2 is equal to c plus d by 2 is equal to a, and c minus d by 2 is equal to b. So sin c plus sin d, that is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, that is equal to 2 sin a into cos b. We know sin a is equal to c plus d by 2, so 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Similarly sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Similarly, cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 multiplied with cos c minus d by 2. Then cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus 2 by 2 multiplied with sin c minus d by 2. Okay. By applying this, we know the factorization formula. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, that is 2 sin a into cos b. Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b is equal to 2 cos a into sin b. Similarly, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to 2 cos a into cos b. Cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. If we do cos a plus b minus cos a minus b is equal to minus 2 sin a into sin b. But if we just do the opposite, that is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, then we get 2 sin a into sin b. Okay, then come to double angle and half angle formula. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Similarly, cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, or we will break sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. So that's why 2 cos square theta minus 1. Similarly, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So always remind this formula of cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to or 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Also we can write cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Similarly, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Then tan 2 theta is equal to tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Then come to sin square theta. We know cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. That is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. Similarly, sin theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus, here the theta is present, so this is 2 theta. Here theta by 2 is present, so here theta. Only the difference is this is. Then cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta upon 2. Then cos theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 plus cos theta by 2 का root over. Then tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. How can we prove that? That is, we know that tan theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta we will write. Okay. Similarly, tan theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Tan theta, फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, tan theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta root over. Plus or minus in the form of plus or minus. Okay. Then come to triple angle formula. Sin 3a is equal to, we will break in the form of sin 2a plus sin 2a plus a, and we will get finally the answer 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. Cos 3a, only the opposite. For always keep in mind, the math is not memorable, only we apply some logic. That's why we remind all the things of math for a long time. Okay. So here the logic is sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. Similarly, in the case of cos 3a, only the opposite, that is 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. Similarly, tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan qa upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. Similarly, cot 3a is equal to cot qa minus 3 cot a upon 3 cot square a minus 1. Okay, so the formula of tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan qa upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay. So the formula of tan 3 is equal to 3 tan a minus tan qa upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. Similarly, cot 3a is equal to only the opposite of the tan, that is cot qa minus 3 cot a upon 1 3 cot square a minus 1. Make always want to do the difference between what are the similarities in between, and how can we remind these all the formulas of math. Then general solution, sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. This is the formula where a belongs to minus x by 2 to x by 2. Okay, then so always know the general solution. When sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. Similarly, we will remind that cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Then फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, फिर से स्टार्टिंग कर रहा हूँ. साइन इफ साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन अल्फा, देन थीटा इज इक्वल टू, this implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. Okay, and n belongs to integer. Then if cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to integer. Similarly, tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. If sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Similarly, cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, then the general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. And tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha, then the logic is the general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. So the logic from these three formula, sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha, all the general formulas are equal, that is n pi plus or minus alpha. That is, we simply write here n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay, similarly for sin theta sin alpha, theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha, where n pi plus minus 1 to the power n, where n belongs to integer. Similarly, cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Similarly, tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. But in these all three cases, only the formula is n pi plus or minus alpha. Plus or minus alpha. Then come to sine rule. The sides of a triangle are proportional to the sides of the angles opposite to them. So what is the sine rule? Now the sides of a triangle are proportional to the sine of the angle opposite to them. So what is the logic? If we consider this is A, we know the opposite of A is equal to small a, opposite of small b, it is small c. So the sides of a triangle, that is A, is equal to proportional to the, that is the side of a triangle, that is A, is proportional to the sine of the angle opposite to them, sine A. So that A is equal to some constant multiplied with sine A. So this constant k is equal to sine A upon sine A. Similarly, b upon sine b, c upon sine c. So k is equal to A upon sine A is equal to b upon sine b is equal to c upon sine c. Okay, then come to please like and subscribe Soumya Education for JEE and NEET. Okay. That's why I will make more and more video. Then come to more generally, if r be the radius of the circumcircle of the triangle abc, then a upon sin a is equal to b upon sin b, and c upon sin c is equal to 2r. Hela, okay. This is the, if r be the radius of the circumcircle of the triangle ABC, then a upon sin a is equal to b upon sin b is equal to c upon sin c is equal to r. Then come to cosine rule. Cosine rule, a square, always noted that a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Okay, all the formulas are make as logic, only you keep in mind at the form of a logic. Okay, here what is a square? That is b square plus c square minus 2bc and the including angle cos a. Similarly, b square is equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b. Similarly, c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. And from this we find out cos c is equal to a square. Cos c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. Similarly, cos b is equal to a square plus c square minus b square upon 2ca. Okay, so these are the trick. Then come to projection formula. If okay, if this is the triangle ABC, A B C, this is small a, this is small b, this is small c, then the projection formula, small a is equal to b cos c plus c cos b. Okay, that is, if draw a large triangle. Okay, if this is the triangle, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is small a, this is small b, and this is small c. Then the projection formula says small a is equal to c cos b plus b cos c. When the side of a triangle is equal to given, then we will simply write the another two side with its adjacent angle. Okay, here's b cos c, c cos b. Okay, similarly, if we find out v is equal to, what are the adjacent side, that is c and a, that is we can write here c cos b plus a cos c. Similarly, what is equal to c? B cos, sorry, a cos b, b cos a. Okay, so we will finish all the formulas and make more and more question. Take the screenshot of all the question, I will provided you in the description box. Okay, do all the question. Okay, these are all the question. In the next video lecture we are discussing all the question. Okay, thank you, please like and subscribe.